Okay, today we're going to talk about why your lift on, this is the Jeep XJ, but anything, does not work very well when it gets really cold. Stay tuned. The reason these lift support, their gas charge, do not work when it gets cold is because the gas inside of it contracts and it reduces its lifting power. And I noticed the last time we had a cold spell, we got a big one coming up, that these did not work very well. I've been on here since I bought this thing a few years, so it looks like they are, these were made in the USA, probably an auto parts store brand, but got these from Amazon. These 8 premium lift supports, comes in a pair for about $20, so hopefully these will work. This is how it came wrapped. Here is the part number there, and so let's open it up and take a look. Okay. I've used this Amazon brand before. I don't know if A premium means Amazon, but I've used it on brake lines and some other stuff. It works pretty good. I never had it fail. Of course, it's made in where, but so let's go take a look and see how we're going to put these on. First, look at these. These look fairly similar. As you see, it comes with the bracket, which is simple. Looks like a couple of 10mm bolts and a weird clip right here. I'm going to show you how to take care of that. Okay, if you don't have a Jeep like this, the installation will be very similar. So you might have bolts on both sides, or you might have this type of clip on both sides. So a quick lining up shows that this one looks very similar. What I'm going to do is take this clip off right here, because remember, when you take one of these off, chances are the whole thing will start to come down. So you might want to prop your hatchback up with a broomstick or something like that. Oh, you know what? I have this hiking pole. I might do. As you see, I have used this hiking pole to prop my hatch open. Okay, back to this. Looks like all we have to do is flip this little clip right here. Should come right out just like this. Actually, this one has a little flat area right here. You can put a flat screwdriver and just pull this off. Really, or pull it out, and the whole thing should just pop off. Yeah, so if you put something in here and pull that back a little bit, it will pop right off. But let me warn you, you definitely need either another person or something to hold this because this thing almost came down on top of my head. Next thing I got to do is take these two screws out. On this vehicle, this Jeep XJ, they are 10mm. Okay, so that's what the bolts look like there. Hopefully yours is not all rusted up. We have already compared it to our new one. Now, on the new one, you see there is where it rides in this ball. I would recommend putting a little bit of grease. I'm going to use this Super Lube synthetic grease. You can get this at Harbor Freight if you want, or probably Amazon. And I will put a little dab right in here before I attach it. Now, before I attach that to the bottom, I am going to bolt this first. The reason you want to do this first is so you can move this around to get to that back bolt right here. Once you have these tight, remember, don't over tighten them. I do not know what the torque specifications are, so consult a professional or a field service manual for that. So now this will just turn in. What you've got to do is really just push it on, and it should snap. Yeah, it just pushed right on. So let's kind of give it a little test. Of course, it's working really good now. But we're going to go ahead and change both of these. Okay, both sides are now installed, and it is extremely kind of hard to pull down now, which is good, which means they're holding a lot of pressure, and that's what you want. These, although they work when it's hot, they do not work when it's cold, so I might keep these in case I have an old Jeep that I want to sell during the summer. So if your lift strut is a little limp in the cold weather, just you might want to try these 8 premium lift supports from Amazon. They're really easy to put on. So if you notice any of your friends or family that has a hatch that won't stay open in the cold weather or won't stay open period, show them this video. Let them know that it's cheap and easy to fix. Y'all have a great day.